I blindfolded my chef friend in Pakistan to taste test his palate.
Can you hear me?
Let's see how good he is.
Okay, I'm gonna start him off easy. This is a cake rusk, and you can kind of think of it as like a Pakistani biscotti.
So dry. Tastes like a type of ginger biscuit. Not coming to me, but
It's cake rusk.
cake rusk?
It's almost like a biscuit, more sort of cake. I don't think I'm gonna give that to you.
I don't think I've had it before.
Well, now you have. This is something new. Yeah. All right, next up is chiku, also known as sapodilla, I believe. It's a type of fruit.
Chiku, sapadilla.
Yeah. Damn, that was quick.
Guyana.
The next one is called revri, basically a type of sweet sesame seeds mixed with sugar.
Oh, man, so I taste like sesame, like some orange. What the hell is that? What the hell are you feeding me? Is there carrot in there? I have no idea what I'm eating. Is there like gourd in there? Gourd? Some type of nut brittle? I'm gonna go with like sesame candy. I really don't know. Sesame
Yeah, that's what it is, yeah.
Okay.
Nice. I honestly don't know what this is called. I was told it was called raspberry. It looks like a grape. It has a bit of a sour tone. I don't even know what this is.
What? It tastes kind of like a cherry, but I think I'm gonna go with the gooseberry. It's golden with the wrapper around it.
I think you're right because I don't even know what this is called, but
Yeah, gooseberry. It's a golden small berry,
Yeah.
and it's got that really crinkly wrapper
Yeah,
that we would
exactly.
twist and we make a little garnish with it, and it goes
Oh
on
my
food
god.
coloring.
Okay, so that is correct, I guess. So this is called a gooseberry?
We call them gooseberries, golden berries. There's
Okay.
different names. I don't know what the Urdu name is for it.
Okay, the last ingredient, it's gonna be easy. I think he already had this yesterday when we were searching for ingredients. So this is bon. It's basically a leaf filled with a lot of different sweet ingredients. I'll be surprised if he doesn't get this.
What the hell, man? This is like when I gave you that, what did I give you? Turmeric. Remember I gave you raw haldi? You bastard. It tastes like something that you would find in pan. It has medicinal notes to it. I don't know. It doesn't have the texture of a leaf. It was more chewy, like skin-like, but...
I'm gonna give that to you because
Really?
it is sweet pond, that's all it was.
Yeah! That tasted nothing like what I had yesterday. And it was just explosions of flavor and like beautiful, like crunchy ingredients and this syrup and that syrup.
Okay, you know what? Maybe because I only gave you the tip with some of the ingredients on the inside.
There was nothing sweet about that.
What?
No, man. Bro, that was bitter and disgusting and medicinal.